This is a reminder to check on your family members when they're sleeping. It looks like my sister's just been sleeping, but she's actually been suffocating the whole night. Her mouth is open and she's snoring very loudly, which means she's getting no air from her nose. Watch how when I place these nose clips, the snoring stops. This is because these have magnetic tips that apply a gentle pressure to her nasal septum, which allows oxygen to flow at a much higher rate. As you guys can see, she is no longer snoring and her nasal passages are fully opened.